Welcome to this tutorial on Commissioner dali. The physical menu is used to check connectivity to your dali network and fixtures. Scroll down to physical and cursor right to see the two options, cable and network. Let's look at cable first, so press the enter key. This is showing dali cable good power. That's because we are connected to a fixture and a dali power supply. If we disconnect the phono, you can see that it shows bad power. And you can also see that if you jiggle the connector around, it's doing that in real time. So that shows you intermittent connectivity issues. Press menu and go down to network. This is a good way of checking out a fixture. It transmits continuous packets to either a channel, a group, or the broadcast address. And it monitors the outgoing forward packets, the reverse packets, and of course any errors. You can see here that you've got the same number of forward and reverse packets, but then when you disconnect, the reverse packets stop as you would expect. Also, again, jiggle the connector around, you can see errors being generated. So that's how you look for physical errors on the bus. To power down, hold function for 3 seconds.